Hi, I'm Sam, the Sales Manager of Midea Appliance Australia. Most Australian families tend to choose to live in houses in the suburbs. They advocate nature and environmental protection and enjoy sharing happy times with all family members. As the summer gets hotter, a set of energy-saving and powerful ducted air conditioners are an excellent choice to regulate the temperature to your liking. Today we follow an important partner of ours, Daniel of Program Heating and Cooling Installation Company, to see the installation of the new ducted air conditioner by Midea. Let's go.
Hey guys, I'm Daniel, the engineer from Program Heating and Cooling. I've worked for 15 years and completed more than 75 projects. The project in progress is about 800 square metres with a 4-bedroom, 1 living room, garage and garden. Mr. Mark, his wife and his 2 children will be living on this property when the project is complete. The temperature during summer can reach nearly 40 degrees, so a ducted air conditioning system with high performance, energy saving and durability is much needed. For us, the convenience of the installation and maintenance is also very important.
We have hot summers here in Melbourne, and we want to install an air conditioner with high cooling performance that is energy efficient and durable.
Midea air conditioners are famous for their energy saving and ease of use. Mr. Mark has selected the Midea Ducted air conditioning unit for their house. Let's get started. The ceiling is very narrow, and in this case, by only removing a handful of screws, the indoor unit of the Midea Ducted air conditioner can be divided into 2 parts. Each part can now be moved with ease. Then, we grasp the handle and carry the ducted air conditioning unit into the ceiling, moving it into its final position. The indoor unit is basically installed. Now, let's go and have a look at the outdoor unit. Thanks to the refrigerant radiation technology, this Midea ducted air conditioner can still operate efficiently even when the temperatures reach as high as 60 degrees. This is 10 degrees higher compared to other products. The E-box position is more elevated to avoid impact of the compressor's heat. It dramatically improves reliability and the service life of the unit. As an installer, with a higher position, we can also stand to complete the wiring operation conveniently and more comfortably, without having to bend over and with bad posture. Midea is the only company that applies a separated PCB design in the ducted air conditioning industry. The functional auxiliary board and electronic board are separated from one another. It's a very thoughtful innovation which greatly reduces the risk of electrical shock during the installation and maintenance due to the separation of strong and weak currents. For maintenance, the up and down query buttons are added, which are convenient for engineers that are trying to go back and forth